In its first big abortion ruling of the Trump administration, the U.S. Supreme Court sides with abortion rights activists. Justice struck down a Louisiana law that required doctors who perform abortions to have admitting privileges at a nearby hospital. If passed, it would have forced all but one of the state's abortion clinics to close. Washington correspondent Jesse Chinur is keeping you connected to the nation's capital.
As a woman from Louisiana, I'm disappointed that the Supreme Court chose in favor of profits.
Anti-abortion activists criticized the nation's highest court Monday after the justices handed them a major defeat by striking down abortion restrictions in Congressman Mike Johnson's home state of Louisiana.
A pretty devastating ruling for all states who seek to regulate in the area of women's health.
The state law required doctors who perform abortions to have admitting privileges at a nearby hospital, something Kansas Republican Roger Marshall, a physician, supported.
We need to hold these abortion providers up to the same standards that we do other doctors.
White House Press Secretary Kayleigh McEnany said the court's decision devalued both the health of mothers and the lives of unborn children. This was the first test on abortion rights for the newly conservative Supreme Court after President Trump appointed Justices Gorsuch and Kavanaugh to the bench.
That decision didn't surprise me at all.
Pennsylvania Democrat Matthew Cartwright said the Supreme Court struck down a similar Texas law in 2016. And Chief Justice John Roberts wrote that decision is ultimately why he sided with the liberal justices on the Louisiana law.
He understands the importance of staying within precedent.
While pleased with Monday's ruling, abortion rights advocates said with a conservative majority still on the court, their fight to protect legal access to abortion isn't over. In Washington, I'm Jesse Chinur.